Load your family into the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.